Hey, buddy.
Hey, you gotta get blocked in.
Oh, crap.
There's an entire school bus of kids here and all their parents' vehicles.
Ain't no problem. I just
You're
go.
literally about to get blocked in where you ain't gonna be able to get out.
That's all right. I just got hooked up on something big, so I'm gonna take advantage of that.
Alright, just give you a heads up.
Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it.
Alright.
See ya. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Here it is, baby. Come on. Stay with me. Good morning. Spangler the angler out here trying to beat the sun up, which we did. Throw out a few lines, see what we can hook up on. I've got some live shrimp with me. Hey, just wanted to let you guys know, check out this hat my sister sent me. I really appreciate it, Mel. You're awesome. And hopefully it gives me some good luck. I'm going to need it today. It's been a while since I've been out on the water. I was gone for about close to 2 weeks in Louisiana helping out with that hurricane that went through there. And so, you know, back out on it and see what happens. It looks like other people are trying to enjoy the day as well. Here comes one. Might get a little rocky in a minute here with their wakes, but hey, you know, we can deal with that. No big deal. Check out the sunrise over in that direction. And I got a couple of buddies out there as well in their kayaks, and we're just going to see what happens today. And we're probably going to be dealing with a storm later this afternoon. No problem. We'll try to see what we can do with that. Let's go ahead and throw some lines, see what we can get. Looks like I'm getting some action on this pole here. I don't know if you can see that. The rod tip keeps going down on me. It might be a crab or something just pulling on it. Who knows? Maybe I just slow roll, reel it in, and see what's on the end of it. Maybe it'll just follow it in. And hey, also, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. We'd like to have all the fans we can get, that's for sure. Give it a like, a thumbs up there. Yeah, they hit it pretty good. Let's throw another one out there. Obviously, there's a fish around. See what happens. Starting to wonder if I rinsed my poles out last time around or not. Alright, so another GoPro video memory card was full. That's my bad, so I'm gonna try to manually hold on to this in my hand while at the same time trying to get in a like a nice sized redfish here. Hopefully we can make that happen. Oh yes, got him. Okay, so looky there. Awesome. I'll switch out my GoPros while I'm at it. Bear with me. And let's get this bad boy out for visual. I mean, I literally just threw that in there. He hammered it. That is a nice looking redfish right there. A little stingray went on by. Actually, he's on the edge right there in the grass. Looks like he might be trying to feed on something. Hopefully he doesn't find my shrimp. Rather not have to deal with him. What's up, everybody? Paddled over to this little, maybe my personal island, and went ahead and put the kayak and beached it for a minute. Got some lines thrown out there still, and we'll see if that does anything for us. I've been watching this little channel back here, and noticed a lot of bait fish, and they're popping at the top, being chased around. So bait fish being chased means bigger fish. Hopefully we can hook up with something in here and see what might be running around this back little area. Oh, just had one pop over there beyond the crab trap there. What is it? It's still on there? Feels like it is. Alright, we got ourselves a little crab. What's up, dude? See you later. Yep, it's going. Alright, got something on here. Whew, just hooked up on it. Oh man, what is that? No, it's gonna get caught up in the other line. Dang stingray. Nothing special. Nothing special. And he's caught my other line, so this is gonna be fun. Alright. Yeah, that's gonna be a lot of fun right there. Probably all kinds of tangled. It's alright. Part of it, isn't it? Oh yeah, we got ourselves a world of a mess here, folks. You know, it ain't cast and go, cast and go. There's always something. It's like, it's probably down in his stomach. Alright, we shall return. I'll get him free. Yeah, okay. I hooked up my one. There it is. That's a beautiful trout right there. Yeah. Got that on cut bait. Alright, buddy. Simmer down. Wow, look at them colors. Golden. Just golden. That's a good looking fish right there. Don't think he's gonna make the size limit. Yeah, still got my bait. Alright, see you later, buddy. Ah, got him. I think he came up. No, he's still there. He's still there. Come here, you. Come on. Look like the same size. Yeah. Woo, that's fishing line going down my hand, about cut me. Ah, sweet deal. Number 2, Slam Shady, pedal tail. There it is, even missing an eye. Nice little trout. He's different. His tail's all messed up. Too small. Gotta go, buddy. Gotta go. Alright, buddy. He's ready. There he goes. See you later, bud. Almost had one. Oh, he come back. Come on now. Yeah, they're right down in this hole right here. Yeah, that'll work. They'll probably flop up into the seat or something. Oh, look at that. Took my tail. Dang. Alright, we gotta go check out Webb. I think he hooked up on the monster for the day. Let's check it out. What you got, Webb? Woo! Yeah, that's a beautiful thing right there. Get that thing free and hold it up, buddy. Yeah, bud. You're gonna have to weigh and measure that one. That one's healthy. Nice. What you got on the length? You got anything to measure that with? Here you go. Nice. Good catch, bud. Shrimp it is. Oh, sweet. Got something here. Come on. What we got? Just little fish. Little pinfish. Come on now. Got me excited. Got me excited. But hey, look, a fish is a fish, right? Just out here trying to have fun. Simmer down there, buddy. Little pinfish. See you later, buddy. Oh, come on now. What we got? He's fighting a little better. Nasty cat had to make a visit, of course. Alright. That's okay. Easy, buddy. Easy. There he goes. Alright, so getting a few hookups. One redfish, which is a keeper. I think I measured out 21 and a half. It's gotta be between 18 and 27 in Florida. I can only keep one, which is no problem. I did hook up on 2 trout so far, just not slot size, so I can't keep them, unfortunately. The water's starting to become more choppy. The high tide's starting to come in, having a more of a current, more flow in the water, which brings out the bite in the fish, so no complaints there. I'm excited about that. Should pick up here in a little while, and hopefully we can get some keeper trout. That'd be great. If not, no big deal. Had a great day on the water so far. And hey, if you're watching, you know, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, give us a thumbs up there, give us some comments. I'd like to hear where you guys are all from. Let me know what's on your mind today. Alright, so we got like a white wall of rain coming my way. Out there, it's already coming down pretty hard, and it's coming my way. Here it is. I think it's got to me. I'm gonna get soaked. It looks pretty that way. Kind of. Right over there. Yeah, that's coming for me. Answer this phone call here. Hold on. Hey, buddy.
Hey, you gotta get blocked in.
Oh, crap.
An entire school bus of kids here and all their parents' vehicles.
Hey, no problem.
Right.
I just
You're
go.
literally about to get blocked in where you ain't gonna be able to get out.
That's all right. I just got hooked up on something big, so I'm gonna take advantage of that.
Alright, just give you the heads up.
Thanks, buddy. I appreciate it.
Alright.
See ya. Oh yeah. Oh man. There it is, baby. Come on. Stay with me. Stay with me. with me. Come on. There we go. Come on back this way. There we go. Alright. Come on, easy. Where's my net? Got it right behind me. Come on, stay with it. Alright. Come on. Alright. Tight drag just a little. Let him fight it out though. Fight it out. Alright. Come on. Look like a red. Pretty sure it's a red. Come on. There it is. Come on, I want him over here. The net. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful looking fish right there. That is a beautiful looking fish. Yep. There it is. Come on. Oh yeah. Sweet deal. Get some slack on this. Go. Nice. Nice looking red. Perfect hook tech right in the corner of the mouth right there. Nice. And secure this. Secure my cell phone before things go really bad. All right, now hold on there, buddy. That's a nice looking red right there. Good size fish. Alrighty, we gotta let him go, so I can't have him and the other one. Whenever you're ready, buddy. There he goes. And we're on another one. They're biting right here, man. They're just chomping at the bits. Want some shrimp? Oh yeah. Can't get this guy in too. Come on, buddy. Come on. Woo! Yeah, he's a feisty one. He's got some nice blue in the tail. Like that. Nice blue in the tail. Come on, you. Come here, you. Got him. Another red. Yeah, he's a good size too. Dang. That's a good looking fish. Good looking fish right there. Yeah, did I get him or did he come off? I think I still have him. He's coming in towards me, isn't he? Yep. There he is. He wants to fight now. He's either coming along with me, but he's not very big. Is that a catfish? No, it's not. It's a little red. Just a little red. Alright, buddy. Alright. Feisty little red. Okay. Not bad. Easy. I got you, buddy. I'm gonna get you out of this. Get you back in. Nice little guy. Little blue in the fin. Spot on both sides. Looking pretty good. See you, buddy. And there he goes. So, great day on the water, that's for sure. I can't complain. Hey, look, it's raining right now. It's nasty out there. But we had a good day on the water, that's for sure. Caught some red, trout, even hooked up on a stingray, and of course, my favorite, the old nasty cats. But you know, hey, we gotta work with what we get. And had I caught nothing, it'd still be a great day out on the water. It's been a while. I was in Louisiana for a couple of weeks helping out with the storm over there. I'm glad I was able to participate and help out and do so. I'm hoping those folks, you know, get back to a normal life as soon as possible. I know things won't be as normal, especially when you lose a whole house. You know, you got sentimental values that were within that house that you probably lost, and you know, that's a sad, very sad time for a lot of folks. And like I said, I really hope that things get better for them over there regardless. And hey, look, if you haven't yet, hit subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I mentioned earlier in the video, I'd like to know where you're from. Where are you watching from? You know, my neck of the woods is Crawfordville, Florida. If you're ever down this way, hit me up, hit me a message. Want to go fish with me? Come on. Let me get this water off. I don't know if I'm making it worse or not, but hey, yeah, I'd love to take you out there, you know, show you a few spots, we'll hook up on some fish, just have a good time. Maybe go grab some lunch afterwards. Hey everybody, we're back at the house. Gonna get this redfish filleted. I've got my cameraman Devin. You can turn around and show yourself if you like, Devin. Tell everybody hello. And we'll go ahead and get this redfish filleted up. Might actually do half shell. Redfish on a half shell. So here we go. Ooh, he is frozen. So if I do on a half shell, I'm pretty much done on that side. Then I'll get back to this other side and we'll fillet this one. That is a pretty fish. I'm gonna go ahead and hold that up. Look at that thing. Devin, can you see that in the camera? That's a nice looking fish. Scales, look at that. These scales really are tough. Hey, let's give Devin a thumbs up. He's doing a really good job at handling that camera, and I appreciate his help. So if we can give him a thumbs up, give this video a like. Good old scales. I'll tell you what. There we go. So we got those 2 fillets done, and in a little while, probably going to kick open the grill there, get us some redfish in our tummies. Got my fillets here, and we're doing it on the half shell. Got some butter smeared on it. That always makes it delicious. Got some corn that's been going on the grill. Boom. There's sit there and grill for a bit. Show you what we got there. Alright, let's check on these. Ooh, they are looking good. Looking real good. I don't know about you. I'm getting excited. Feed me. I'm about to flip those and then we'll be all said and done. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and check on these fish. I think they're done. I tested with a fork, so if they look a little torn up, well, there you have it. Oh yeah, looking good. Looking good. Looking done, that's for sure. Looking done. Alright, well, we're going to scoop these up, run them inside, and put them on the table. Our plate of fish and corn right here. And it's looking pretty yummy. I hope you really enjoyed this video. It was a great time out on the water. Had a great time with a couple of friends. And, you know, we kept it simple. Bobber, live shrimp, hit the right spots. You're going to catch a fish. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. See you next time.